Hello students, welcome to the part 4 of the atomic structure. See, in the atomic structure part 3, we have discussed about the electrovalent bonds or the ionic bond. In today's lecture, we are going to start up with the new type of bonding, that is the covalent bonding. Okay, see, we have already mentioned that there are two types of a bonding which we are going to study. One is the ionic bonding and the other one is the covalent bond. See, ionic has the other word also, electrovalent, and this is covalent bonding. See, in electrovalent bonding, there was a fusion between metal and a non-metal, but this covalent bond exists between two non-metals. This covalent bond exists between the two non-metals. Suppose examples, HCl. See, H is also a non-metal and chlorine is also a non-metal. Water, HO, okay, CH4, that is methane, CNH, etc. There are many examples. So basically we got an idea out here. Okay, this covalent bondings that exist between the two non-metals. And we should know, okay, what do you mean by first a covalent bond? See, covalent bond are those bonds is formed when two combining atoms by mutual sharing of one or more pair of electron is called a covalent bond, and the compound formed due to the bond is called the covalent compound. See, understand in a more simpler way what they have written. It's a bond between the two, okay, by mutually sharing. Mutually sharing means what? See, I would like to give an example of NaCl. See, NaCl was an electrovalent bond in which the electron which was present in the outermost shell of sodium used to get donated. Okay, so that is why the sodium used to develop a plus charge and chlorine who used to accept it's to get a negative charge, right? But this was related to the electrovalent bond. But this lecture is related to not sharing of electron, not transferring of electron. This covalent means the sharing of electron, means both of them are going to get share. Suppose this is a chocolate, okay, so half of the portion of the chocolate will be taken by one of the element and the other half would be taken by the second element. So this is called the sharing of the electron. Okay, so covalent bond means nothing but sharing of electron. See, who takes participation? Basically the non-metals, okay, who has 5, 6 and 7 electrons in their valence shell. What do you mean by valence shell? The outermost shell. Okay, in their outermost shells they have 5, 6 and 7 electrons. They are going to participate, and we all know that very well. We always follow the concept of octet and tuplet. So this 5 need more 3 electrons to complete it, this need more 2 and this need 1. But this covalent bonds, there are 3 different types of covalent bond, okay, which we are going to study. That is a single covalent bond, double covalent bonds. These covalent bonds are divided into 3 parts. Okay, 3 different types are there. That is single covalent bond, double and triple. Let's understand with a simple example. Only one examples I'm going to give you so that it becomes very easy for you to understand in a more simpler way. Suppose I'm making hydrogen. To other also I'm making hydrogen. Okay, it has 1 electron in its valence shell. Okay, 1. So see, this hydrogen and this hydrogen. So this hydrogen need one more to complete up its duplet, because hydrogen can't complete up its octet because it needs more 7. So it's very far distance. See what is the stable electronic configuration to get a 2 or 8. Logic क्या है, 2 होना चाहिए या तो 8 होना चाहिए. So it is going to follow duplet part. So it need one more electron, and this hydrogen also need and one more electron. So what this and this hydrogen decide that rather than taking up one electron, rather than transferring the electrons, we will share the electrons. So they form up a single bond in between, and this single bond, what does this single bond denote? That this single bond denote 2 electrons. इसका मतलब ये अभी शेयर हो गया, मतलब ये single bond दोनों के बीच में है. And what does this denote? That single bond denotes to this hydrogen also, and this single bond denotes to this hydrogen only also. And what does this bond denotes? That there are 2 electrons. तो इसके पास भी 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन है, इसके पास भी 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन है, बिकॉज दे बिलीव इन शेयरिंग ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन, नॉट ट्रांसफरिंग द इलेक्ट्रॉन एज वेल एज दिस वाज अ केस इन द इलेक्ट्रोवैलेंट. नाउ डबल कोवैलेंट, लाइक लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन टू अंडरस्टैंड. सी इन इट्स आउटरमोस्ट शेल देयर आर अराउंड 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. ओके, सी 1 2 3 4 5 6. तो इट इज़ गोइंग टू कंप्लीट अप इट्स ऑक्टेट. तो हाउ मेनी मोर इलेक्ट्रॉन इट नीड्स? 2. 6 तो ऑलरेडी है, और 2 मिल जाए तो 8 हो जाएगा. इवन दिस इज हैविंग 6, तो इट नीड्स मोर 2. तो सिंस सपोज आई एम ड्राइंग आउट हियर, ओके, आई विल इरेज दिस पार्ट. ओके, तो व्हाट दिस एंड दिस ऑक्सीजन say to each other, rather than transferring the electron, we will share the electrons among us. So they form up the bond like this. Okay, they form up the bond like this. See now if you have to count, what does single bond denotes? How many electron? 2 electron. Okay, तो देखो count करते हैं. 1 2 3 4 5 6, because one bond means 2 electron. 7 8. See count again, once again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. तो ये सेटिस्फाइड हो चुका है. नाउ दिस 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. ओके, नाउ दिस ऑल्सो गॉट सेटिस्फाइड. तो दे फॉर्म अ सिंगल बॉन्ड, दे फॉर्म अ डबल बॉन्ड. नाउ ट्रिपल. सपोज लेट्स टेक एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ नाइट्रोजन. ओके, लेट्स टेक एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ नाइट्रोजन. 1 2 3 4 5. इसके आउटर मोस्ट शेल में 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन होते हैं, बिकॉज वी आर मोस्ट कंसर्न अबाउट द वैलेंस शेल ओनली, दैट इज द आउटर मोस्ट शेल. 1 2 3 1 sorry. Okay, this is not there. So 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Now it's a very common sense part. How many electrons this nitrogen will be needing? 3, क्योंकि उसके पास already 5 है, तो it needs more 3. Again this is the same condition. So what they say, we will share the electron. So they develop a bond out here. Now start counting. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. देखो हो गया ना, octet complete. And here also see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is single, double and triple covalent. Okay. सो दिस वॉज रिलेटेड टू द बॉन्ड रिलेटेड पार्ट. ओके, कि कितने बॉन्ड्स बन सकते हैं, मतलब सिंगल बॉन्ड बन सकता है, डबल बॉन्ड एंड ट्रिपल बॉन्ड बन सकता है. नाउ वी आर एग्जैक्टली गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड कि द कोवैलेंट्स हैव बीन एग्जैक्टली, ओके, दे हैव बीन डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 पार्ट्स. दैट इज, one is non-polar and polar covalent compounds. The previous part was related, see the previous, sorry not previous part, this previous part was related to the bonds related. Now this was related to the covalents. कितने टाइप के कंपाउंड होते हैं? पोलर कोवैलेंट एंड नॉन पोलर. Now this polar covalent and non polar covalent, see in an easier term, what does the word polar means? पोलर मीन्स चार्ज. मैं इजी कर लेता हूँ आपके लिए वर्ड्स. चार्ज. व्हाट डज नॉन पोलर मीन्स? नो चार्ज. पोलर come from the words poles, as we have a north pole and as we have a south pole. So the polar comes from the word from north pole and south pole. So they are the two different. Okay, तो same like that. Polar means जिसके पास charge है, poles मतलब जिसके पास charge है, and non-polar means those which does not have a charge. Who are considered as the polar covalent compound? When shared pair of electrons are not equal. ओके तो इसका अपोजिट क्या होगा? शेयर पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर इक्वल. When this polar covalent means the shared pair of electrons are not equal, and this non-polar means shared pair of electrons are equal. See, you will have a doubt, but because this concept exactly come in your 10th standard, but as of now, just learn what I'm saying. Okay. See, now polar, they are not symmetrical, okay, and they are symmetrical in nature. This non-polar are always considered to be symmetrical in nature. Symmetrical, and they are non-symmetrical. They are non-symmetrical, they are symmetrical. What do you mean by the word symmetry? Suppose I am making up a heart. So if I am going to cut this heart into two, from between, so it will result into equal halves. Okay. Now suppose I am drawing an amoeba and I am going to cut it from between. क्या ये equal half में divide हुआ है? The answer is no. So symmetrical means what? Divided into equal parts. Charges takes place. Charge takes place. No charge takes place. Example of non-polar are, सी जो सेम मॉलिक्यूल्स के होते हैं, जैसे कि हाइड्रोजन H2. आई हैव गिवन द एग्जांपल. सी अगर हाइड्रोजन हाइड्रोजन का बॉन्ड है, ऑक्सीजन का बॉन्ड है खुद का, नाइट्रोजन का बॉन्ड है खुद का. ओके, अगर मैं आपसे बात करूँ, दिस इज़ हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, ओके, नाइट्रोजन, then we can take a chlorine example. See, I'm going to write the examples for you so it becomes very easy and understandable for you. And the other one will be CCl4. इसको बोलते हैं कार्बन टेट्राक्लोराइड. कार्बन टेट्रा मीन्स फोर क्लोरीन, कार्बन टेट्राक्लोराइड. Okay, and one more example if I have to give is we can take of methane, that is CH4, etc. So these are few examples related to this. And if I have to take the examples of the polar covalent compounds, so they are HCl, water, okay, HCl, water, it is ammonia, etc. But as of now, according to your syllabus, there are only 3 polar covalent compounds. So just refer to the name HCl, water or ammonia. Okay, don't go too deep. Polar covalents are 3. Okay, according to our syllabus: HCl, water, ammonia. For polar, just remember this 3. So we will start with the first non-polar compounds. So who are non-polar? Who has the share pair of electrons, okay, which are divided into equal. They are equally divided and no charge takes place. So that is why तो इसको non-polar मतलब no charge बोला गया है. Okay. See, I have given the example of hydrogen as of now. See this part. इसका सिर्फ आपको क्या करना है? You have to make up a before combination and after combination. See, in before combination, how we are going to draw? See, I am going to give 1 or 2 examples because all the examples are related to each other. What we have to do? We have to write first before combination. before, and this is an electron dot diagram. Okay, before. So how many electrons are there in the outermost shell? 1. Okay, so this is hydrogen atom, this is also hydrogen atom. Now what exactly is going to happen after combination? After combination we have to go. This is hydrogen, see this plus sign have been removed. Why this plus sign has been removed? Because ये before combination है, reaction होने के बाद it formed into, now this is okay, here we can say they have formed up the bond, or we can write like H2 also. Now they were the atoms. Okay, atoms always combine to form molecules. So this is now hydrogen, you should write the spelling hydrogen molecule. Okay, और ये bond, what this bond was representing, that they were sharing the electron. See, each and every cases you have to do the same only. In the case of the chlorine also, in the case of the nitrogen also. Just remember one thing, you are just concerned with the valence shell, जो outermost में कितने electrons होते हैं. Suppose I take an example of a chlorine. Second example. Suppose chlorine I am going to take. Okay. The first what I am going to do? I am going to make the outermost electron. So just write the topic out here that we are doing. This is chlorine atom and this is also chlorine atom. But what exactly happens in after combination part? Now that plus charge which was between these two chlorine, okay, which was there in between this, it is going to go. Okay, because we are in the state of the after combination, मतलब reaction होने के बाद कैसा होगा. Now see, we are learning about the covalent, so they will share these electrons because they wanted to complete up its octet. See, count these numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, because one bond represent 2 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this is not an atom. Now this is chlorine molecule. Now this is not an atom. Now this is a chlorine molecule. Now as this is a chlorine molecule, what does this represent? When atom always combines, it always forms up the molecules. मतलब जब दो Cl combine होंगे तब जाके ये molecule बनेगा. So this is the final answer. You should write in this way. Nitrogen we have discussed. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the third one, that is carbon tetrachloride, because first I am going to complete up what the non-polar covalent compounds. So carbon tetrachloride. See, this is very important one before combination. See, carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. इसके आउटर मोस्ट कार्बन का 6, तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन इज 2, 4. तो 4 इज द आउटर मोस्ट नंबर. ओके, तो आई मेड इट द 4. देन अ प्लस साइन, प्लस साइन, प्लस साइन, इधर भी प्लस साइन. ओके, बिकॉज दिस इज बिफोर कॉम्बिनेशन, तो रिएक्शन इज नॉट हैपनिंग, इट इज गोइंग टू गेट हैपन. देन आई एम गोइंग टू ड्रॉ दिस Cl1. 1, 2, sorry, cross it up. Okay, cross it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now understand one thing. One more chlorine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. ओके, सी ईयर 7 मतलब इसको और एक चाहिए, इसको भी और एक चाहिए, इसको भी और एक चाहिए, इसको भी और एक चाहिए. एंड दिस कार्बन सी इट्स 4 इन द आउटर मोस्ट शेल, तो इट नीड्स मोर 4 टू वर्क इट आउट. ओके, और 4 चाहिए ना. तो इसने एक क्लोरीन को बोला कि मेरे को एक दे देना इलेक्ट्रॉन, इसको भी बोला, इसको भी बोला, इसको भी बोला. सो इफ़ इट इज़ गोइंग टू गिव हिम 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन, ही इज़ गोइंग टू गिव हिम 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन, ही इज़ गोइंग टू गिव हिम 1 एंड दिस, तो इट बिकम्स 4. तो इसके पास 4 है और 4 जोड़ दूंगा तो इट बिकम्स प्रॉपर शेयरिंग, राइट. दिस इज द बिफोर कॉम्बिनेशन. तो हियर यू हैव टू राइट दिस इज अ क्लोरीन एटम. ओके, हियर दिस दे आर द क्लोरीन एटम. Now exactly what happens after that? See, this is the plus sign in between. तो after combination में क्या होता है? The plus sign goes away. Same we have to write, but now the plus sign is going to go away. So it was representing by, okay. Now the plus sign goes away. Now this is CCl4 molecule. अभी ये क्या हो गया, प्लस साइन चले गया, राइट, बीच में से. नाउ द स्ट्रक्चर लुक्स लाइक दिस. अगर आपको ये इसको इतना ऐसा नहीं बनाना है तो यू कैन राइट इन सच अ वे ऑल्सो. एंड अल्टीमेटली this will get converted into CCl4. Okay, so we are getting an option if you are going to make like this or this. Ultimately the final answer is CCl4. So to write like this. So now this is CCl4 molecule. Now see, now you will share pair of electrons are equally divided. They are symmetrically. How they are symmetrical? See, if it is forming up a plus sign, they are said to be symmetrical in nature. See, it is forming, right? If this is a carbon, okay, and ये Cl बनाया, suppose. See, it is forming up a plus sign. So they are said to be symmetrical. See, the exact reason you will get in your 10th standard only. As of now, you just keep logic in your mind. Okay, it is forming up a plus sign. See, CH4 I am not going to draw. It is like CaCl4 only. Now more 2 structure, more 3 structure we are going to study. That is of HCl, water and ammonia. Now we are going to discuss about the polar covalence. सपोज HCl, सपोज इसको क्रॉस किया तो इसको डॉट बनाना पड़ेगा. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. ओके, दिस इज हाइड्रोजन एटम एंड दिस इज क्लोरीन एटम एंड दिस इज बिफोर कॉम्बिनेशन. ओके, नाउ सी, वी आर स्टडिंग अबाउट द पोलर कोवेलेंट. जितने भी स्ट्रक्चर इसके पहले पढ़े थे, दिस वाज रिलेटेड टू द नॉन पोलर कोवेलेंट कंपाउंड, बट दिस इज रिलेटेड टू द पोलर कोवेलेंट कंपाउंड. नाउ पोलर कोवेलेंट कंपाउंड में यू जस्ट हैव टू रिमेंबर 3 नेम, HCl, NH3 and H2O. So first I am starting with HCl. Now this is hydrogen atom, this is chlorine atom. Okay, now what exactly happens after the combination? This plus sign goes away. okay, and indirectly they will form up a bond. So we can write like HCl also like this, okay, या simply आप जैसे लिखते हैं HCl. So what does this symbolize? Now this is HCl, okay. Now अभी देखो कैसा होता है. I will try my best to make you explain. This hydrogen will try to donate up this electron to this here, okay, will try, मतलब वो imitate, मतलब वो ऐसा बता रहा है कि I am trying to give up my electron to you, okay. If he is trying like an electrovalent, means transferring electron, so definitely they will carry up the charge. See, polar share pairs are not equal, okay, they are not equally shared, they are non-symmetrical in nature, and charges takes place, मतलब positive charge और negative charge आएगा. But we don't have to show, see, we don't have to go in so much deep, just understand in such a way. See, this is not forming up the plus sign. See, in the case of CCl4, it was forming up this plus charge. ये equally divided नहीं है, okay, their electrons are not equally divided. So as their share pairs of electrons are not equally divided or they are not symmetrically, how we came to know? Because ऐसा plus sign चाहिए, तो वो plus sign हम बना नहीं पा रहे. ये देखो, okay, sorry, ऐसे नहीं था. HCl है, इसके बीच में मतलब एक bond आ रहा है, okay, तो they are divided like this, but ये plus sign तो नहीं बना पा रहा है. So that is why they have been considered as the non-polar covalent compounds. The second example is water before combination. Hydrogen 1 plus oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, you have to practice this. This is hydrogen atom, this is oxygen atom, this is hydrogen. So basically this is nothing but you have to practice a lot, and this is an easier concept only. What would be the after combination? The plus sign you have to move away. Okay, ये हो गया शेयर, और ये इधर के हाइड्रोजन के साथ शेयर हो गया. सी 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, तो ऑक्सीजन का ऑक्टेट हो गया, और हाइड्रोजन के बीच में एक बॉन्ड है, तो मतलब इसके पास भी 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हो गए. दिस इज एन आफ्टर कॉम्बिनेशन. नाउ आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू राइट लाइक दिस. नाउ दिस इज अ मॉलिक्यूल पार्ट, ओके, वाटर मॉलिक्यूल. दिस वाज HCl, okay, hydrogen chloride molecule. And this is water molecule. अभी देखो, see, if you look perfectly, they are also not symmetrically divided, okay, because this hydrogen is transferring the electron, okay, it's trying to show that I am going to transfer my electron. तो इसके वजह से क्या होता है मालूम है कि this is H, this is O, there is a bond. See, ऐसा साइन तो बन रहा है, बट फिर वो प्लस नहीं बन पा रहा है, okay, we have to show up a plus sign, right, in order to show up the symmetrical part. It is dividing the electrons. ऐसा हो रहा है, लेकिन ऐसा स्ट्रेट नहीं आ पा रहा है, ओके. सी, बिकॉज हियर ऊपर और नीचे हाइड्रोजन नहीं है, ऊपर और नीचे हाइड्रोजन नहीं है. सो नहीं है तो प्लस साइन कैसे बनेगा, ओके. इधर भी ऐसा ही था. नाउ आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू ड्रॉ अमोनिया फॉर यू, यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस एट योर होम. नाउ देर आर सम प्रॉपर्टीज, ओके, दिस प्रॉपर्टीज पार्ट आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सी, प्रॉपर्टीज आर covalents are usually liquids or soft solids. So what do you mean by soft solids? Which can be easily broken down and all. Why they are liquids or soft solids? Because they have the weak force of attraction as they are made up of non-metals. Non-metals are usually in the gaseous state or the liquid state. अगर कुछ solids हो गए तो soft solids हो गए, as in the case of the carbon. They have the low melting and boiling point because the answer is weak force of attraction. Because we know that part very well कि non-metals have the low boiling and melting points and they are highly volatile. Volatile means what? They can easily get vaporized. Okay, they can be easily broken down. Why? Because the force of attraction is very weak. मतलब अगर सपोज वाटर है, ये H है और ये O है, तो ये easily अलग हो सकते हैं, ये easily separate होते हैं because their boiling and melting point is low as compared to the metals. Metals में अगर सपोज आयन वायन ले ले तो उसको 2000 3000 इतने डिग्री पे सेल्सियस पे गर्म करना पड़ता है. बट अगर वाटर का एग्जांपल दे तो वो तो 100 पे ही बॉयल होना चालू हो सकता है. देन दे आर कंसिडर्ड टू बी अ नॉन कंडक्टर्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. येस, बिकॉज नॉन मेटल्स आर द बैड कंडक्टर्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. ओके, एंड वाई दे आर बैड कंडक्टर्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी? बिकॉज एब्सेंस ऑफ फ्री आयंस. उसमें आयंस नहीं होते. एंड व्हाट आर आयंस? आयंस आर द चार्ज पार्टिकल. इफ यू डज नॉट हैव अ चार्ज, तो हाउ इट कैन कंडक्ट अप द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी? Fourth point you don't have to study. They are insoluble in water, but they are dissolved in the organic solvent. What are organic solvent? Organic solvents are those like CCl4. वो जो CCl4 है वो organic solvent है. They are non-polar in nature. Okay, we have studied this in the non-polar section. This compound dissolve in non-polar covalent compounds. Okay, so this was the end of the atomic structure chapter, and this was the part 4 of the atomic structure. Thank you, students.